going to share three reports. First report is from Mekelle, where Ethiopian Air Force carried out aerial strikes. Fight returns to Mekelle. Your second report is from Vichale, where Ethiopian Air Force also carried out aerial strikes to stop the advancing of Tigray Defense Force towards Dessie. Third report is Vagaltena. Yours Vagaltena is under the full control of Tigray Defense Force. Tigray Defense Force also captured Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers. Viewers, now let's move to the first report. Ethiopian military airstrikes have hit the capital of the country's Tigray region and killed at least 3 people. The airstrikes confirmed by 2 humanitarian workers. The new military offensive was launched against the Tigray forces who have been fighting Ethiopian and allied forces for nearly a year. Viewers, remember, Mekelle has not seen fighting since late June, when the Tigray forces retook much of the region and Ethiopian troops withdrew. Since then, Ethiopia's federal government has called all able citizens to crush the Tigray fighters. Viewers, one Mekelle resident said a market was bombed on a busy market day. Another resident, speaking on condition of anonymity for fear of retaliation, said the first airstrike occurred just outside the city and 3 children from the same family were killed. The Tigray region, along with the current areas of fighting in the neighboring Amhara and Afar regions, are under a communications blackout, making it challenging to verify information. Whereas the Tigray forces have said they are trying to pressure Ethiopia's government to lift a deadly blockade imposed on the Tigray region since the dramatic turn in the war in June. Whereas the new offensive raged despite pressure from the United Nations, the United States, the European Union, and other African nations for a ceasefire, talks, and humanitarian access. Viewers, now let's move to the second report. If we talk about Vichale, airstrikes were also conducted by Ethiopian Air Force on Vichale. Because Vichale is under the full control of Tigray Defense Force, Ethiopian Air Force carried out aerial strikes to stop the advancing of Tigray Defense Force towards Dessie. Viewers, now let's move to the third report, which is about Vagaltena. As you know, intense fighting was underway between Tigray Defense Force and Ethiopian National Defense Force along with allies in Vagaltena, located in Amhara region. Where several sources are reporting that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have reached inside Vagaltena. Tigray Defense Force supporters are claiming that after fierce fighting, Tigray Defense Force has taken full control of Vagaltena. where Tigray Defense Force soldiers were seen with heavy artillery in the Wegal Tena. Tigray Defense Force also captured hundreds of newly recruited Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers from Wegal Tena. Captive Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers can be seen on screens. Here's large number of Tigray Defense Force soldiers are present in Wegal Tena. Here's these were 3 reports. For more latest reports and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.